Yesterday there was nothing like there was no regression element in the confirmatory factor analysis. It was just a thing that you are confirming that these factors will be loaded on this particular construct. But say for example there is some theory which has been suggested by some author or some or any academician, and you want to check this theory, that is this theory relevant for me or not, or is this theory relevant for my data or not, then you go for the structural equation modeling. Basically, structural equation modeling is combination of the factor analysis and the regression analysis. Okay, it's a combination of regression analysis and factor analysis. Okay, so there are many softwares on which it can be done. Like say for example, this structural equation modeling can be done on Amos or Lisrael or Stata or Smart PLS, R, Adenco. There are many softwares, but the most you can say the easiest software is Amos, and still the easier one is the Adenco, which is there, which is considered to be the most more easier one. Uh, we teach structural equation modeling on R also. Now, as we have talked about R, so there is our program is coming up on R again with Inspira only in the month of January, in which we will be teaching you the R software. And why you should learn the R? Because it's an open source community. Everything is free, okay, and therefore you should run R. And in these days, if you want to become a data science, or if you a data scientist, or if you want to, you can say give the lectures on R. So you should have the knowledge of R. Okay. Okay. Now, what's the difference between the confirmatory factor analysis and this? All these things have been discussed by Hitesh. So quickly, I will skip that matter and I'll talk about this thing. And that's a prerequisites of SEM is that there will be some unobserved variable. The confirmatory factor model is there. Multiple regression path model is there, and therefore these two combines to make a SEM, and that's known as a structural equation modeling. Okay, now there are some relationships which we talk about. So one type of relationship can be exogenous, that is affecting X, endogenous, that is affecting Y. Okay, exogenous, the this is exogenous is a construct affecting the X, endogenous is a construct affecting the Y. The second type of relationship is exogenous. The third type of relationship can be construct to construct. All these things you will be able to understand. Okay. The fourth type of relationship is a correlationship between construct to construct. Now, if you all recall that in linear regression, Mohammed sir, I will answer your query. Mohammed sir, I will answer your query. If the theory, you have asked the question, if the theory does not support, then what we are supposed to conclude? I'll answer your query at the last, in the last. Okay, keep the query reserved for this. Okay, so if you all recall that we had done some statistics like multicollinearity, in which we are not allowing the independent variables to be correlated with each other. But here, in case of structural relationship, we allow the two variables to co-vary, or they can have a correlationship in between. Now, why such thing is allowed? Because it has been found that in the case of OB or HR, you cannot have the variables which are very independent. I'll give you some example to this. Is for example, if we talk about HR, then the constructs can be loyalty, satisfaction, employee retention. Now, you can never imagine that loyalty is a totally independent variable, okay, affecting the employee retention. No, loyalty will go with satisfaction, and therefore it is bound to have some correlation between these two variables. So we are allowing that these two constructs can have a correlation among themselves. Okay. So this is a correlationship which we are allowing. Don't go for the diagram. This all these things you will be able to understand. Now, what is the difference between this oval and what is the difference between this square? Now, whatever you capture, the data which you capture on the instrument or which is a questionnaire, they are all indicated by square. Again, there is a chat box. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Okay, whatever, whatever which you are capturing on the questionnaire, okay, by questionnaire, they all come in square. Okay, or in short, whatever data which is in SPSS data file, they are all in square. And and the oval is the name which is given by us. Yesterday you must have gone through some data analysis in which the confirmatory factor analysis was carried out, and in which it was that one of the construct was the fear of SPSS, the fear of mathematics, the fear of statistics. They are all constructs, they are not measured variables. Now what is the difference between construct and the measured variable? Satisfaction cannot be measured of an employee directly. You cannot ask to the employee directly that are you satisfied in this organization, okay, or what is your loyalty towards the organization. You cannot ask such questions, and therefore what you do is you convert this variables. You convert this construct into some statements which can be measured, which can be asked, or the opinion we are seeking the opinion on these statements. Okay. Now, for example, how will I measure the loyalty? The loyalty will be measured by the how many years the person is with the company, or second, has he gone for any redressal mechanism, or third thing, what is his productivity? So what we are using is we are using the surrogate variables to measure the construct. Okay. Now say for example, the height and weight can be measured directly. If you recall the first regression slide which I had shown about the error, the age can be measured directly. It does not require any surrogate variables. Okay, age you can measure directly. Height can be measured directly, weight can be measured directly, income can be measured directly. But now, as soon as I say something like opinions, attitudes, beliefs, they cannot be measured directly, and I require a bunch of variables to represent the happiness, a bunch of variables to represent loyalty, a bunch of variables to represent satisfaction, and therefore we a normal regression cannot be carried out, and therefore we require the advanced statistical techniques, that is structural equation modeling. So these are all types of diagrams. These are all types of relationships which can exist. Let me show you some relationship which I want to talk about. This everything has been discussed. Okay, this one. Now I want to capture the intelligence of a students. Okay, so I cannot ask to the child that are you intelligent or not, and therefore I'll be using some surrogate variables, that what is your score in English, what is your general knowledge score, what's your score in maths. So the things which are represented in oval are known as the latent variable, and those which are represented in the square box are known as indicator variables or measured variables. So be very clear, I'm very clear on that point, that the thing which is represented in oval, even in your Amos chart, even in your Amos, you can say, when we will be drawing the actual diagram in Amos, we have to be very clear in the sense the thing which is represented in oval is a construct. Okay, and the thing which is represented in square is the measured or indicator variable. The square part will come from the SPSS data file. The oval will be given by us, the name will be given by us. Okay. uh, uh, okay, now let us talk about the relationship which is there. Okay, the relationship which is there is, say for example, this particular construct is captured by using two measured variable. So how many things how many statistics will come into the picture? The first is the regression coefficient, the second regression coefficient, the correlation, the error and the error. Now there is a difference between EA, EB and error. In regression, I had given you the concept that whatever you do, the error is bound to remain in your equation. Now
Yes.
the error which, yeah, any question? Any question is there? Hello? Okay, fine. So error is bound to happen, whatever you do. So uh, the A has been captured correctly, and the remaining amount is the error. The B has been captured correctly, and the remaining amount is the error. By doing so, we are making a model, and the residual error of the entire model, okay, the residual error of the entire model is V4. So there is a difference between this error, and this error. This is the error of the entire model, and this is the error of the individual variable. The second thing which we have to see is that there is a covariance which we are allowing between A and B. We are saying that there can be a relationship between A and B. There can be a relationship between A and B. Now, I'll give you a very layman example to the structural equation modeling. What is regression and what is structural equation modeling? Okay. Okay. If you have seen something like that, you catch the fish with the bait, just a string, okay, with the fishing rod, okay, one fish and the fishing rod, the fish is a dependent variable, and you are capturing it, and that's a regression analysis. Okay, 1 to 1, one fishing rod, one fish, 1 to 1. The same fish, if you want to capture, if you want to represent that I want to take many fish into consideration at a time, and it is not possible for me, for example, if I want to capture a big fish, it is not possible for me to capture the fish by using a fishing rod, because the big fish is a concept, a big concept is there, okay, a big concept is there, and therefore it's not possible for me to capture it with a fishing rod. And what I'll do, I will throw the net into the water, and when I throw the net into the water, all the variables are attached with each other in such a way that they create the net of the system, they create the system net, and the fish is captured. So understand that the big fish is a construct which is captured with the system of the variables which we are considering to explain that. Okay, and as the net is connected with each other, all these variables are connected with each other, and then we are trying to say that by using this net, are we able to capture this or not? This is a layman example of structural equation modeling. Okay, we move ahead. So we are creating the net of the entire system. Okay, so let me give you the example, the examples like supervision perceptions are positively related to job satisfaction. Work environment perceptions are positively related to customer share. Co-worker perceptions are positively related to customer share. Job satisfaction is negatively related to job share. So these are all types of researchers hunch which we are having, that this is our thinking. It's not necessary that you will be able to get the same path, but this is our thinking that we want to check, and therefore now we are creating a model. Say for example, this is a model which has been given by someone, and we are trying to follow this model. So the supervision, the work environment, it's not a cow worker, it's a co-workers, all this combines, and they are affecting the job satisfaction. If the job satisfaction is lower, the employee will start searching for the will search for the job. This is a model which we are having. Now what can be the covariance, the correlation? Supervision and one work environment may co-vary with each other. Co-vary in the sense they can go hand to hand. Okay, we cannot say that they are totally independent of each other. Work environment and co-workers can go hand to hand, they may co-vary with each other, or it may also happen that supervisor and co-workers may co-vary with each other. But these are all constructs. Then the constructs cannot be captured directly. So what we do, we want to disintegrate, we want to convert this, we want to capture this fish. The how many fishes are there? Total 5 fishes are there, and it is not possible for me to use the fishing rod, and then I therefore create a system. A system is created, full blown system is created, in which all the squares are used to represent the all squares are used to represent that particular construct. So x1, x2, x3, x4 will combine. They are the statements which will be asking on the Likert scale to our respondents, and they will all combine to become a supervision. X5, yeah, there's a question. There's a question which is coming up. What's the question? Is there, Ravi sir? Please check it.
No, sir, that is not the question. Just appreciation is by some of the attendees.
Okay. So now this work environment is again blown into X5, X6, X7, 8 co-workers. Now whatever you do, the error element is always going to remain in all of them, right? And H1, H2, H3, H4 is our hypothesis, which you can see here. H1, H2, H3, H4 is our hypothesis. Okay, so yesterday what you did was this part. This was the confirmatory factor analysis. Okay, there are no straight lines in this. There are no regressions in it. It is just you are trying to see that x1, x3, x4 is properly loaded on supervision. X5, x2, x8 is properly loaded on one work environment. So you just checked it. Okay, there was no model testing in it. This is a model testing which we want to do. Okay, so we will work on this model today, and let's try to understand that is this model working or not for us. There are some statistics which have been explained, probably explained by Hitesh sir. Did Hitesh sir give you some menu that what statistics should be there, what should be the value of statistics? Did he give some value, Ravi sir? I'm
Yes, sir.
not.
Yes, sir. He
Yeah.
has given.
So if he has gave that menu, then directly we'll start for the modeling technique. So all of you open the Amos, be ready with the Amos on your screen with a canvas. Okay, with a canvas in your hand. The blank canvas should be in your hand. The blank canvas. Okay, there should be a blank canvas. Okay, are you there? All of you, feel free to discuss your problems. Okay. When we were learning confirmatory factor analysis, we almost took 6 months to just understand that how it is working. We are talking about the time period 2012. At that time, no YouTube tutorials were there and no books were there. We are trying to fumble, and we have spent hours and hours to understand these softwares. So we are trying to make the thing so much easier for you that we are just giving you a launch pad in which the teething problems which we face, they will be all be removed. You will not face the teething problems, and the pathway is a very your pathway is smooth, and you will be able to write at least one paper on it. Okay, so this is the
Which data should be
yeah.
open here? Which data
Sorry.
should be open here in the SPSS?
No, you don't have to open any data. You have to open Amos file. See on your screen. Amos.
So from SPSS we should open Amos.
No, from SPSS you should not open the Amos. You should open the Amos from outside only. Just see on your keyboard. Press Windows. Press Windows. It is nearer to Control function, and after that the Windows will be there. See on your keyboard. Last line. Control function. 4 squares. Press that 4 square and write down
Yes, sir.
Amos.
Windows
And a
Amos.
window will pop up. Amos, just Amos. And a window will pop up. Done? All others have done it?
No, sir. After pressing Windows, which one should I type?
Amos. A-M-O-S. Amos. A-M-O-S. Have you installed Amos? The file sent by the Hitesh sir? Did you install it?
Yes, sir. I have installed it.
Okay. Is it going? Is it opening? Did you got Amos 23 opening?
Sir, Amos have two files, Amos Graphics and File Manager. So
Amos
graphics.
Amos
Graphics.
graphics. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
See, it will look like this, sir. See, open this. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
see
It
on
is
the
open.
screen?
It is open now.
That's good.
Open, sir. Open.
So we'll start drawing this the particular structure which we had tried to understand using. We'll try to understand this thing. Okay. Now we will draw the equation. Sorry, draw the relationship. So all of you go there. Follow my diagram. Okay, just a minute. So all of you go in File, Save. First thing, File, Save. Directly go in File, Save, and you can write down your any of your name. It's not necessary that you write the same name. Okay, what's the query? Okay, you can write down your name. Make it sure that the path on which you have saved the file, you are aware about that path. Okay, you are aware about that path, because I will not be able to see where you are saving it. So save, and the path, you can take the path from here. Okay, and it will be saved by the name AMW, Amos working file. Okay, and just press it save, and it will be saved. Okay, there is nothing at present, there is nothing there in the file right now, but you do it so that you don't lose the work, your valuable work which you are doing, you don't lose it. Okay, so do it. If you are done with this, then we'll go for the next path. Interface properties. Go in interface properties, view interface properties. Okay, make it sure that it's portrait letters, paper size is portrait letter. Okay, all the margins are correct. Basically this command is used for changing the size of the canvas. If you want more, if you want the bigger canvas, then you can definitely use you can use the more you can change the paper size, and you will get this canvas bigger one. Okay, so you can possibly change everything from the interface properties, right? Just check it, everything is going well, smooth, right? Next thing is, all of you drag this, just click on it and drag it here. Just click on it and drag it here. Okay, drag it here. Hitesh sir have given you the good tutorial to it. Just drag it here. Okay, so you will get this type of cursor. Your cursor will change this type.
Sir, it
Okay,
is not being
and
dragged.
sorry,
Sir, it is not being dragged
you just click twice, it you will be able to get it.
twice.
Got it?
No, sir, I clicked in the icon twice, but nothing is happening. Yes, yes, now it
Uh,
has come.
yeah, that's fine. So you just drag it and you will get this type of icon. Now all of you listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. Uh, Take one finger, that is the index finger of your left hand. Take the index finger of your left hand. Okay, and press the left mouse, or press the left side of your laptop. That is the button which is there on the scrolling button. That's the left side. Press it left side. Okay, now take the index finger of the right side, and with this drag, and with this drag, and the circle will be created. Just check, are you able, all of you, are you able to do it? Check, are you able to do it? Check, are you able to draw the circle? Don't draw very big circle, draw small circle, right?
Sir, can you repeat, please?
You are using computer or you are using laptop, sir?
Laptop.
Laptop, okay. You are having that uh, uh, place where something like mouse is there, no, where keypad is there, no,
Yeah. Yes,
where you
yes.
select. Yeah, so you just press left on it. Left, the take the index finger of the left hand and press the left button. Okay, and with the right hand finger just drag, just drag on the screen, just drag on your screen the cursor, and a window and a circle will be created. Done?
No, I get two triangles, inverted triangles touching each other.
You get two inverted triangles because your circle is small. Okay, I again repeat, listen to me very carefully.
Okay.
See, select it and cancel by using this one, cancel this cross, cancel it. Okay, cancel it.
Okay.
Okay, okay. And again select this, select it. Okay, select it. When you will select it, your cursor will change. See, I'm just showing you on my screen. Okay, just see here, just see here on the screen. See, I'm selecting it. Now my cursor is changed. Are you getting this type of a cursor?
No, I can't see your screen.
I'm not.
It's not getting
You're not.
shared.
No, it is visible, sir. We all can see. That is, I believe that is a particular terminal issue.
It's visible to others.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Yes, sir, it is
Yeah,
visible.
yeah.
Sir, the presentation is visible, not the software screen.
Yeah, exactly. I can see the
What
presentation.
right? Screen is not
Just
visible.
refresh it. Just refresh it. Just refresh it. You will get it. Just refresh. Just wait for some time. You will be
Okay.
able to see. Okay. Got it?
No, sir.
Still not getting? Wait for a
So
minute.
your presentation slides are visible and not the software screen. If you are working on the software screen, that is not visible. Only the presentation is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now is it visible? Now is it visible?
Yes, sir. Now
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Now can you see the see here? When you are not pressing this, your cursor is simple. Is it clear? See
Okay.
this cursor.
Yes, sir.
When you will press this, it will change its shape. Are you getting this type of cursor?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now be ready with me. Okay, be ready with me. Okay, be ready with me. Keep your left hand on the left button of the mouse or your laptop and press it.
Okay. Okay.
Press
Okay.
it.
Yes,
Now
sir.
drag this. Drag this. You will be able to create a circle. Are you able to create the
Yes,
circle?
sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes.
Just wait a minute. You are too early to say me thank you. You'll still require some time. Wait. Okay.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Now listen to me. Release your left hand. Done.
Yes.
Now again go here in the center of the oval
Yes.
and press it the number of times you want to create the measured variable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to do it?
Yes, sir.
All of you, are you able to do it?
yes, sir.
Okay, so I am deleting this thing from here. Okay, don't make very big diagram because our destination is to accommodate all of them. Are you with me? Right.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to the model again. Okay, so first thing, create this type. Done. Have you all created this thing? Check it. 4 squares, 1 2 3 4 error. Are you ready with this?
Sir.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Shall I draw it for you? That will be much more better. Okay, let me draw it only. Then only you will be happy. Okay. My intention was that if I can work from PPT, that will be better. Okay. See, be with me, all of you. Be with me. We changed the size, no? We changed the size and we made it A4, right? We made it A4, no? or it was letter only? Okay, fine. So just drag it 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? Is it done?
Yes, sir.
All of you are
Yes,
ready?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
All of you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Now see my cursor and
बॉडी
select
लैंग्वेज ऊपर थी तो न देखा तो
select all. Select all. This should get converted into blue. Is it getting converted into blue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Be with me, okay? Be with me. All of all have to today climb the Himalaya with the support of each other, okay? And this is for the first time I am experimenting this AMOS, okay? Normally,
How it is got
when
blue? Sir,
sorry,
how it got blue? File have click.
you
How?
select here, select all objects.
All
Done?
objects. Okay, sir, got it. Then
Okay,
it turn blue. Okay, sir.
and nobody will lose the hope or nobody will surrender. Okay, we all will be able to work on it. Okay, now see, if it has got converted into blue, now take the photocopier machine. Okay, take the photocopier machine, select the photocopier machine from here. Is it okay? Done? Then create the first copy, the second copy, the third copy, the fourth copy. Okay, select it. Are you able to do this thing? Shall I repeat?
Sir, fourth copy, I cannot produce the fourth copy. Only 3 copies are created, but fourth copy is not happening. I don't know why.
Press Control Z and all of you come on the original. Press Control Z. Control Z, Control Z and come on the original data file. Are you there? Again, I repeat, sir, you don't have to lift your hand from the cursor. Okay. Just drag it. Just drag, release the button. Drag, release the button. Drag, release the button. Drag, release the button. Okay.
Sir,
Done?
probably the space is short in this case because in the fourth time when I drag and release the button, only oval is created, but other shapes are not created.
Other shapes are not created means, sir, you
It's
share your
only
screen,
oval.
no?
Lower part oval is
Share, share your screen. Share your screen.
okay,
Share
sir.
your screen, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm sending you in your WhatsApp.
No, no, share your screen.
Oh, sharing. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm sharing. I'm sharing. So how to share here from here? Yes. Sir, how shall I share?
You will be allowed to share. See there. See there.
Oh, yes, here. Share screen.
Done?
Sir, I'm getting that symbol, but what to do? Like press right click or left click to get more copies.
Sir, this is my screen. Sir, here.
Okay, you send me the you send me the screenshot. Okay, Mayua ma'am, your question is what if the construct is having more than 4 variables? Very nice. Now in this scenario, first of all, deselect everything. Once this is done, deselect everything. Deselect all the objects, and it should turn black. If blue is on, it means that the selection is on. Mayua ma'am, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see, if the construct is having, say for example, the first construct is having 5, just select there and go in the center and make it 5. Done?
Okay, okay.
Got it?
Sir, is
Yes.
it A4 portrait or landscape size?
It is A4.
A4 portrait or landscape?
It's portrait.
Oh, yes, my case was also portrait, but what actually maybe
don't
the
don't don't get disturbed. Don't get disturbed. Okay, first of all, I'll start everything again. Don't get disturbed. I can do this thing n number of times with. Okay, I'll remove this also. Okay, don't worry, nothing will happen. As far as you don't get satisfaction, we will proceed. Okay, everything can be done. Done. Make your screen bigger. If you feel that I am not able to draw here, make your screen bigger. Okay, go in interface properties and make it landscape. Okay, make it landscape, apply, and your canvas will become bigger. Okay, happy now?
landscape.
Happy?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, now are you getting, all of you, this same?
Sir,
Ah,
sir, Peter, how can we enhance our screen, sir?
sorry, hello,
Sir, please repeat, how can we enhance our screen, sir?
I'm not able to understand, sir.
He's
What?
asking to go in the view and again show how to use the interface to
Ah,
make it landscape.
Yes, sir.
view
Interface property.
interface paper size.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now I want to create the model. So what I'll do, I'll say select all. Done. Everything has been turned into blue. Done. Now I will pick up the photocopier machine. So first copy, second copy, okay, third copy, and the fourth copy. Done. All of you are ready with this?
No, sir. Again,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
hard
Yes, sir.
copy and fourth copy is not done. I can only create 3 figures. And fourth figures and fifth figures are not creating here.
Send me the screenshot.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I have
Now,
already sent you. I have given you WhatsApp.
ऐसा करना है direct. नहीं सीखा था मैंने.
you have sent on some other mobile number. This is not my mobile number. You have not sent me the screenshot.
Sir, this is not your phone number. So
My
Sir,
mobile
I
number.
think he means that he's not able to copy from the first figure because you are only supposed to copy from the figure that is all blue. You can only copy from that figure.
Yeah, you
all
can
are
only
blue.
copy from.
Sir, how can where shall I share?
Sorry,
In which number shall I share the figure?
99980
99980
28491.
28491.
Okay. Till you are able to draw this, we will proceed ahead. Okay. Now, all of you do one thing. Deselect all the objects. Deselect it.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Deselect it. Now,
Done, sir.
select the rotation from here. Rotate. So rotate it, and rotate it. Done.
Yes, sir. Done. But these are like here. Then can we resize it?
You can resize it. You can do all these things. Just follow the command. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
and Mohammed sir, don't worry. Don't worry. All those who are not able to draw, I have already sent you the ready-made file you will be with me. Okay, don't worry, you will be with me. Okay, Mohammed sir, please delete the two ovals yeah, you are not having enough space because you have, first of all, you have made it portrait and the diagrams are very big. Mohammed sir, diagrams are very big. Who is this? Is it US? सर आपका
Yes,
नाम
sir.
क्या है जिन्होंने
Ujjwal Seth. Ujjwal Seth.
Ujjwal Shet. Your diagrams are very big. Okay.
Oh. Okay, sir.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. It is a matter of practice. We are also learning only. Okay. Now see, all of you. Now what we have to create? Now we have to create the path diagram. Okay. The path. So what is the path which we want in our case? What's the path which we want? So the path which we want is, okay, we want such type of path. Okay, so how can we draw such type of path? Go in linear, okay, mode. Go in arrow. From here to here, draw the path. From here to here, draw the path. From here to here, draw the path.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Haan,
Hello.
haan,
Hello. If
haan.
you please repeat from the turning of the figures, because I have been lag behind it for somehow. How have you turned the pictures into rightward or down leftward?
Okay. Sir, can you see on your screen this rotation?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See this. Is it okay now?
Just a minute. Yes. But
Okay.
the initial shape remain as it is. Rotate, but
Yeah, initial shape will remain as it is. Okay. Now you connect this thing. Now you connect this thing. Now you connect this thing. Okay.
So how shall I connect?
From here, the arrow. Draw
Okay, sir.
path.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Draw the path. Is it there? Draw the path. Done.
Done it, sir.
That's really
Done it.
nice. That's really nice. Ujjwal sir, you are on tracks now?
Yes, yes.
So excuse me, sir.
Huh.
Can you tell me the drawing of the path? We click on that arrow.
You just click on the arrow. May I know who
Okay.
is it? May I know
Paul
who
here.
is it?
Paul.
Paul sir. Paul sir.
Yeah.
Paul sir. Paul sir. See.
Yes, sir.
See. First of all, see how the cursor looks when we are not selecting it. See
Okay.
this.
Yeah.
When we are selecting it, the cursor becomes this way. Okay.
Yes.
Now go here.
Okay.
Is it turning red?
Yes.
See, just check it.
Yes.
Now press the left mouse button.
Okay.
Okay. Now press the left mouse button and drag till this another oval
Okay.
and release the button.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to do?
Yes, sir.
Now we want to say that these three constructs are co-varying with each other. Okay. There is a they are co-varying. So first of all, if all the previous commands are running, just press deselect all the objects. It will flush all the previous command. Okay. Flush all the command, deselect all the objects. Is it clear? Now select 1, 2 and 3. Only these three should be blue. Make it sure only these three should be blue, nothing else.
Done it, sir.
Done?
Yes.
Are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's really nice that repeat, sir. Nilufar, I'm again repeating for you. I'm going at a very slow pace again. Okay. I'm saying deselect all the objects. First deselect. Nilufar, please pay attention here. Deselect
Yes, sir.
all. Done? Everything is black.
Yes, sir. Everything is black.
Now select one object. Nilufar ma'am, just
Yes, sir.
Nilufar ma'am, select one. Okay, this one.
Okay.
Did you
Okay.
got this type of cursor? Just check
Yes,
it
sir.
on your set.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. I
Now
got it.
you 1, 2, and 3. Done.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Only Nilufar ma'am, only 3 things should be blue. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see it as blue.
Okay. Now go in plugins. Draw covariances. Done.
Sir, got it connected, but it is from the reverse direction.
It is fine. It is fine. If you get
Okay, sir.
arrow
Okay.
this side or this side, it does not matter.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Done, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now deselect everything. Okay, deselect everything.
Everything is black now.
Now everything is in black now. I'm going very slowly. Okay, now I want to give some name. Okay, I want to give some name. The names are organizational commitment, environmental perceptions, co-workers, job satisfaction, and staying intentions. Okay, so the first name which I want to give is organizational commitment. Oh, this is shrinking. Just click on it and a window will pop up. So I am just writing out here OC. Very simple. Organizational commitment. OC.
No, sir.
Are you with? Yeah.
No, sir. Just I
Huh.
clicked, this circle becomes smaller, smaller, and it now became a point.
Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Did you got your original thing?
Yes, yes. Now I got.
Okay. We are living with this software, we are eating with this software, and we are sleeping with this software. So we know that what is happening with this software every day.
True, sir.
Okay. We dream of the softwares only.
So
So
now,
these are all teething problems which we had faced, and we had to pass through so many struggles. Yes, there is a question which is coming up from Mohammed sir. Why do we put correlation signs between construct? Do we need to put that sign right? Mohammed sir, are you able to listen to me? Mohammed sir, are you able to listen to me? Yes. Now see, this constructs means there is a correlationship between these two constructs. If I don't draw this, it is a normal regression. For example, if I draw something like this, then I will get the same, I will get the same result of the regression which I had done. I will get the same result. Okay, this is regression which is there in SPSS file. Okay, here I'm not allowing the two variables. I'm not allowing the two variables to have a relationship between these two. There was a very strong assumption that these two variables are not correlated with each other. And if you are having a correlation, then there is a multicollinearity. But here we are allowing that these two variables should co-vary with each other. Okay, because in case of OB and HR, it is not possible that these variables can work independently, and therefore that is the reason we are saying that we will co-vary, and that's the reason structural equation modeling is the combination of factor analysis and a regression. I hope I have answered your doubt. Okay,
Also done it.
done.
Sir, I
Okay,
am
just
unable to write the name of the construct.
you are not able to, sorry ma'am, Ananya ma'am, sorry.
Sir, I am unable to write the name of this variable, this construct. OC.
Ma'am, OC, you are talking about OC?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, deselect everything. Deselect all the objects, Ananya ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Done. Deselect everything is black, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Now follow my cursor. See, still this is active. Follow my cursor and you come in the zone of OC. Is it there?
Yes,
Are you in zone of OC, ma'am?
yes, sir.
Click on it. The window will pop. Is it popping up, ma'am?
No, sir, it is not popping up.
Try it again.
Okay, sir, I'm trying.
That
Okay.
double click will produce this dialog box.
Double click it. You double click
Yes.
it, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Ananya ma'am, we are waiting for you. It's fine. Are you getting it, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now the next variable which we have to define is the next variable which I have to define is the environmental perception. Double click on it, EP. The next variable which I want to define is, now you remain here only and you can go on defining the variables. The another variable is co-workers. So I am writing here co-workers. Don't give any space. Then I am here talking about here has job satisfaction. Here I am talking about as what was the last variable which was there? The last variable was staying intentions, SI. And the thing is solved. The variables have been defined. These are the constructs which have been defined. Okay, just take a break of 1 minute. I will
Sir,
come
what
back.
is the last
Okay,
variable name? Last
staying
variable.
intentions, staying intentions. I'm just taking a break of 1 minute. I'm just coming back. Okay,
Staying focused.
okay, all of you. We'll continue from here. Okay. Is your figure matching with me? Fine. Now I have sent you one SPSS data file, not the MOS file. Please open that file. Okay. All of you, please open that file. The file which has been sent to you by me, please open that file. Okay. Please open that file. So everybody is, please open that file. I'll show you the file. It is under the name of HBAT SEM1. Okay, HBAT SEM1. Okay, open that file. Please, all of you, open that file. Okay.
So we have to minimize and open it separately, or from this window we have to use file and then.
No. You will not be able to open from Amos. You will have to go from. You will have to go from
Separate window.
outside.
Okay.
Yeah, separate
Okay.
window.
Okay,
You will have to go from Explorer only. You cannot go from in this. Did you got this file? Just check it, all of you. See this type of file. Is it there on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it there?
Yes, sir.
Fine. All of you are ready with me?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now just drag it, and you will be able to see the statements which has been asked for job satisfaction, organizational commitment, environmental perception. This is just like a Likert scale on which we are asking about the attitudes, opinions, and beliefs of the person. Okay, so organizational commitment has been asked by using how many statements? 4 statements: OC1, OC2, OC3, and OC4. So organizational commitment, for organizational commitment, the surrogate variable which is used is I am proud to tell others that I work for HBAT. OC3, I have a sense of loyalty to HBAT. OC2, I am willing to put a great deal of effort. So these are all statements which are related to OC. Environmental perception, I am very comfortable with my physical work environment. Okay, so EP1, EP2, EP3, EP4. So I insisted, or I had told you a number of times that the thing which is there in SPSS file will go in square. Okay, the data which we have collected in the instrument will go in square. Is it clear? All of you ready? Fine. Now,
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now don't do any mistake in matching the variables. Please be with me. Listen to me carefully. The problems which we have faced, you cannot imagine that we have spent nights and nights to understand that how this software is behaving. Okay, just listen to me. I am repeating again. Your variables in Amos file should match with the variables which are there on your left hand side. If you write something else, then your program will not run. So here if you are writing OC1 and there you are writing small OC1, it will not run. Capital O, capital C, and capital 1. So it will pick up the name of the variable from here. No space also. Okay, it should match. Daksha ma'am, from where did you left? Daksha ma'am, from where you
Sir,
want
this
to
coding, this particular the name you are saying, na? I mean, SPSS file का matching with the data file there.
Yeah. ठीक है मैम. दक्षा मैम फिर से मैं बोलता हूँ. ठीक है.
जी, thank you.
Milind sir, how can we identify where to draw lines and where to draw covariances? Milind sir, see, this is, you will get it from the theoretical model which is existing, like technology acceptance model. There can be number of ways in which you can draw the diagram. So you will have to follow some theoretical model which has been suggested by academician, and then only you can go ahead. Okay, I agree that there can be number of ways in which you can draw but you will have to follow some literature. Okay, Daksha ma'am, just see here. What I'm trying to say is that the names which has been given here on left hand side should match with the Amos file. For example, listen, For example, here in OC, the measured variable is OC1, O capital, C capital, and 1. Are you with me? 1.
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Done? It should match.
Okay.
Then OC2. All of you, OC2. OC2. OC3. OC3.
Okay.
Okay, OC3. OC4.
Got it, sir. Thank you so much.
Done?
Excuse me,
Now
sir.
let's, yeah, please ask a question.
Sir, this is something different, or is it similar if I link my data file and then drag the variables? That will give the same result as this, right?
Yeah, ma'am, may I know your good name?
Mansi.
Mansi, ma'am, you are working on Amos. You have worked on Amos prior to this.
Sir, I'm currently working, thanks to your workshop. I'm writing my fifth chapter, that is data analysis. But this I gathered from the yesterday's session when we were doing CFA.
I can show you the way also, ma'am. I can show you the way that
I was just curious that this is
working.
different, or will it give the same result?
It's a same thing, ma'am. I agree.
Okay.
It's a same thing. But my experience is probably Hitesh sir may have gone with a different route. What he must have loaded, he must have loaded the file
Data
here,
file
and
here,
from here he must have dragged and dropped. Okay.
Right, sir.
But my experience says that my way of working, everybody has a different way of working.
Right, sir.
So my way of working is what happens if I do that way. I will show that thing. Okay. So follow. Okay, तो ये एक सिंपल है, ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है, प्लीज फॉलो दैट स्टाइल. ओके,
राइट सर.
ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब व्हाट विल बी हियर? इट विल बी EP1, it will be EP2. Be with me, all of you. Okay, EP2, EP3. Acha, please be frank with me. Who is not able to draw the diagram? Please be frank with me. Who is not able to draw the diagram? Be very frank to me. I will be able to help you. Be very frank with me.
Sir, I have one question, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, this item, is it compulsory that we need to have 4 items, or it should be 3, 4, 5 for each construct?
No, yesterday
lecture sir has told.
Yesterday, sir, this has been catered by Hitesh sir, that if you are having less than three measured variable, you will have a problem of degree of freedom.
Yes, sir, it should be 3 or above, but I mean it can be vary, right? 3, 5, 6, 7, right?
Now just imagine that you are loading 11 variables here. Okay, in one construct you are taking 20 variables, in second you are taking 20 variables, in third. Will you be able to draw the diagram?
No, sir, it will be very huge.
So what is less than 3 not allowed, more than 7 not allowed? Got it?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Sir, I'm not able to see C4 in the data. C1, C2, C3 is there, C4 I'm not able to see.
Which one?
Sir, like for co-worker.
Yeah, just a minute. All those who are not able to draw, I have already sent this ready-made data file, this Amos file to you. You open the Amos file in the canvas and the entire thing is drawn for you. Okay, so you will be on tracks. Okay, so now write down EP4. Okay, EP4. Okay, all of you write down EP4. I'm unable to select draw covariances between EP. Surinder sir, did you join late? Surinder sir, did you join late, sir? Surinder ji, आप late join किए हैं? No. Okay. Do one thing, Surinder ji, please. सिर्फ सुरेंद्र जी सुनेंगे. सुरेंद्र सर प्लीज सुनिए, आप सुनिए. ये मेरा कर्सर यहाँ पे आप रखिए, डिसलेक्ट ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट्स, सुन रहे हैं सुरेंद्र जी, यहाँ रखिए डिसलेक्ट। अब आप एक काम कीजिए, यहाँ पे जाइए, सिलेक्ट वन, ओके सिलेक्ट वन, एक यहाँ पे ब्लू कीजिए, एक यहाँ पे ब्लू कीजिए, एक यहाँ पे ब्लू कीजिए सुरेंद्र जी, ठीक है, तीनों ब्लू हो गए, 3 ब्लू हो गए, ठीक है। फिर प्लगइन्स में जाइए, प्लगइन्स में जाके ड्रॉ कोवेरेंसेस दबाइए, ये आपका काम हो जाएगा, ठीक है, आपका काम सरल हो जाएगा, ठीक है। चलिए अब कोवर्कर्स कौन से नाम से है आपकी डेटा फाइल में वो देखते हैं। कोवर्कर्स दिलीप सिंह जी वो अलग नाम से है, कोवर्कर्स
वो
के नाम से नहीं है।
एसी के नाम से है, AC1, AC2, AC3।
हाँ
एटीट्यूड
AC1
ऑफ
AC1,
कोवर्कर्स है ना।
हाँ AC1
ओके
AC2,
ओके।
ठीक है ना, ठीक है।
यस
तो
सर,
हम
यस सर।
तो हम यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करके ले लेते हैं, ठीक है। तो AC1, ठीक है, यहाँ पे AC2, यहाँ पे AC2, ठीक है, AC2, ठीक है, AC2, यहाँ पे AC3, ठीक है, यहाँ पे AC4, ठीक है।
यस सर।
अब यहाँ पे जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन में आ जाएगा JS1, ठीक है, JS1, JS2, JS3, JS4, ठीक है, JS1, JS2, JS3, JS4 चेक कर लेते हैं, वही हमें लेना है, वही नाम से है, हाँ वही नाम से है, ठीक है। और
सर
वहां पे है, हाँ बताइए।
सर JS5 भी है।
JS5 भी है, पर yesterday you must have gone for the confirmatory factor analysis. Only those variables are to be considered which are very significant, right? JS5 is also there. JS5 is also there. You can take JS5 also, but to make the life simple, we are curtailing to just 4 variable. Okay.
Okay sir. Okay sir.
It is not there is you feel that there is some criteria, no, there is no such criteria.
Okay.
It is just for simplicity, sake of simplicity I have made this, okay.
Okay sir.
Technical
Yes,
is
yes.
not able to work it out, I cannot, sir, I did
Perfect, sir.
late, sir. What, Dipankar ji, did you join late? ठीक है, अभी आप दीपांकर जी और मनीषा जी, दीपांकर सर सुन रहे हैं, मनीषा मैम सुन रहे हैं, दीपांकर सर आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm listening. Sir, there is
अच्छा
some
कोई बात,
even I
अच्छा
quoted here also, so I can connect with the theoretical part, but practically I'm not able to connect and you
कोई
know.
बात नहीं, आप अपना सेशन, आप गाड़ी, आपकी छूट गई है ना गाड़ी?
नहीं सर, छूटी
हाँ,
नहीं है, स्लो है।
अच्छा आपकी गाड़ी अगर छूट गई है तो आपको मैं बुलेट ट्रेन की सुविधा मुहैया कराता हूँ। आप एक काम कीजिए, मैंने
जी
आपको
सर।
ऑलरेडी एक एमओएस फाइल भेज दी है, वहां पे वो ट्रेन ले लीजिए, आप हमारे से आगे निकल जाएंगे, ठीक है।
सर
वो
वो भी
फाइल
नहीं
खोल दीजिए।
सर, वो भी मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू ओपन दैट। देयर इज सम लाइसेंस वैलिडेशन इट इज शोइंग एंड सम टेक्निकल एरर ऑन दैट, so I'm not able to open that MOS file also, which you sent it today along
नहीं
with the
फाइल यहाँ से जाइए, नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, फाइल में जाइए, ओपन यहाँ से जाइए, फाइल ओपन यहाँ से जाइए, ये एनवायरनमेंट में से खोलिए।
सर प्रॉब्लम इज दिस कि मैं ब्लैंक स्क्रीन भी मेरा इट्स शोइंग लाइसेंस वैलिडेशन इशू। आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, बिकॉज कल भी
नहीं
यही इशू
आपने आपने आप हमने जो फाइल भेजी थी वो आपने लोड की मैम?
हाँ हाँ सर, वही लोड की हुई है मैंने। आई हैव अ
प्रीवियसली
डेटा
कोई एमओस
एबल टू ओपन।
प्रीवियस कोई एमओस लोड किया था आपने आगे?
सर कल किया था ना।
नहीं उससे आगे? कोई बात नहीं मैम, you attend the session, ठीक है?
I
फिर
think we need to have more practice later, sir. You know.
हाँ, मैं आपको बताऊंगा मोर प्रैक्टिस में कितनी प्रैक्टिस चाहिए। ये एमोस का जो है, एमोस का है, यू विल रिक्वायर, मैं आपको 7 दिन के सेशंस भी आपको दे सकता हूँ कि ये एमोस में कितनी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी आ सकती है। सो अगर आप मैंने जस्ट ओपन द एमोस ग्राफिक्स विच इज देयर, द रेडीमेड फाइल इज देयर, ओपन इट, दोज हु आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट, ओके। Yes, you will get the recording of yesterday's and today's sessions also, Daksa ma'am, not to worry. Okay.
So I
चलिए
have a
now,
query.
हाँ.
Sir, like I have this latent variable that you have shown OC. Now suppose I have 4 another, sub constructs under OC that are latent, and then I am measuring those variables. So can that be done in the same models?
You can be doing that thing, and that is known as a second order models. Okay. But we see, I can go on increasing, I can show you n number of models right now only.
Yes,
but increase the complexity slowly. Okay. When you can use second order models, you can definitely, I will show you the models which has been constructed by us. Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
But you see, there is always the word, no, drive your car under the medical supervision, वो वाली बात है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go very slowly. So if you are ready with this thing, now everything has been named. The only thing which is left out is these circles. They don't have any names. These circles don't have any names. Okay, but before that, take the stamp and make the error for the model. Okay, on SI. Okay, make the stamp on SI. Make the stamp on SI. Done. Is your model resembling me? Just check it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, is it resembling?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everything is in capital?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now go in plugins. Go in plugins. Name unobserved variables. Yeah.
Sir, how to draw the stamp? I missed out.
This one, stamp. This is stamp.
Okay.
It is a residual error of the model. Just pick up the stamp and click here, and it will be selected.
Okay.
Now go in plugins. Go
So
in
why
plugins.
are we taking error only on SI and not on OCEP and co-workers and other?
May I know your good name, ma'am?
Ma'am, sir, I'm Vasundhara.
Sorry?
Vasundhara.
Vasundhara ma'am, I will say good morning to you. Listen to me, ma'am. Okay, it's fine. I can understand. You must have missed out. See, I was saying repeatedly one thing. See, I'll show you something. Where were we? Do you recall this slide, ma'am? I had talked about this slide.
Yes, sir.
This is an error related to variable, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
This is an error related to variable, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
And this was the error which was related to the model.
Yes,
Total
sir.
error.
Yes.
Total error.
Okay.
So
Okay. Now I got it.
This
Yes,
was
sir.
this is the by default the Amos has drawn, but this has not been drawn. Why it is not drawing, ma'am? Listen, let me complete. Why the model Amos is not drawing this thing as a default? Because it does not know that which variable you are going to make it as the last variable, and therefore it is not drawing it.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
So let's come back to here.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now go in plugins, name unobserved variables, and all your errors will be having now name. Done?
Done, sir. Done.
It is endogenous. Yes, Mohammed sir is correct. It is known as endogenous part. This is known as endogenous. Right. You are right, sir. So all the errors are having a name. It may be possible that your error maybe with a different name. This is E20, E19, E18. It is not necessary that the chronology which my Amos is following, the same chronology will be followed by your Amos. But
yes, sir.
you will get the same result. Okay, you will get the same result. Yeah.
The total E21 is same, rest are varying.
No, rest are varying. It is fine. Total E21, 21 errors are there. Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Why we are not having an error for GS? Ravindra sir, very nice question. Why we are not having an error for the GS? Because the terminal model is SI. If you feel that I want the error also, I want to capture the error also, let's keep the error here also. You can keep the error also. It can be done. Keep the error here. Sorry, I have done some grave mistake. Okay. Oh yeah. You can fit the error here also and name it. Okay. Name it. Name it. So now there are how many errors are there? Now how many errors are there? 22 errors are there. Please, all of you make it 22. E22. Okay. 22 errors are there. Now another thing is you cannot create any error on OC, EP and co-workers because to make the errors, the arrow should be moving out of it. Okay, just see, if I press it here, you this error is not allowed. Okay, this is not allowed. It is only allowed when the arrow is inserting inside, then only you should take this as the error, otherwise you should not take it. Okay, you should not take this. Okay, so now we are ready with the model. Things are working very nice. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
have to attach the data file. So go here. All of you know from where to attach the data file.
So
Huh.
I did that plugin and unobserved variable.
Huh.
But all over this F1, F2, F6, F4, like that, it has come all over the picture graph.
Sorry.
I did this plugin and named unobserved variable. So
Huh.
once that was done, in addition to E1, E2, E3, all over the diagram is showing F1, F2, F3, F4, F42, F39, like all over the place it has come.
Because you did not name the variable, sir. JS1, JS2 was not named by you, and therefore it took the name on its own.
No, I have named the variable.
Please send me the screenshot, and now you shift to my file which has been sent.
Okay.
Or press Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl Z. Okay, and see, are the variables going out? Are the variables disappearing? Then you send me the screenshot immediately. Send me the screenshot immediately. Or till the person, till that who is this who is sending me the screenshot? Okay, now attach the data file which has been sent to you, the file name, and I require the file name, and that is, please attach the data file which is there with me. So which was the data file which we had talked about? So the data file is descriptive analytics and confirmatory factor analysis. In that I had sent one file. The file name was HBAT-SAM1. Please connect this data file to this. Click OK. Done. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now somebody had asked me the question that why we are not dragging the variable as Hitesh sir had done last. Who was that? I don't recall. किसने पूछा था? Who was that?
Sir, I.
Now see, what will happen is that what I have faced this issue, that if I go with this, no, see, suppose a slight overlap has happened and a new variable will be created. Okay, and if there are large number of variables, I will never be able to understand that where I have created the going with this method. Okay, I can do this method, but I am not going with this method. So that's the only reason. Okay, done, all of you?
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
sir. What to do after? Okay, sir.
What to do after okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Have you? Yeah, ma'am. Please ask.
Sir,
Please ask.
I wish to ask one thing. Say, when we are naming the variable, for example, we are labeling the variable as OC1, 2, 3. Sir, can we increase the size of these squares? Because, say, for all the variables, the size of my square is a bit small. So, can we increase the size of the square, and is there any option for that?
You want to increase this
Yes,
size?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, you should be very specific for the first time when you draw it. Okay,
Okay.
because then you cannot change it. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Let's come back now. What are the things which are to be done? So just click on analysis property. All of you go in analysis property. Click on standardized estimates.
Sir, where is analysis properties? Can you repeat?
Here, ma'am. See this one, analysis
Okay,
property.
okay. Yeah.
See, one thing that those who feel that their diagram is not good, okay, that their diagram is not appropriate or it is too messy, then there is a jadoo ki chhadi, okay, there is a magic wand. Just you press the magic wand and the diagrams will correct on its own. Okay, it will try to correct as far as possible. Okay, so you just sprinkle the magic wand on the diagram and it will try to realign itself. Okay, so now let's come to the analysis property and make it sure that the standardized estimates are on, modification indices are on. Okay, modification indices, and make this thing as 20. Why? I will talk this thing later on. Make this thing as 20.
All the options are not showing here.
Sorry?
All the options are not showing here in this dialog box. But whatever.
You are in estimation. You click on output. You are in estimation.
Analysis properties. I have clicked on analysis properties. Then my first option is maximum likelihood, then generalized, least square, etc.
You click on output, sir. See, just see here. Click
Okay,
on
sir,
output.
okay, sir, okay, sir. Got it. Output. Okay, then it's come.
And now run. Okay.
Standardized estimates, and then
standardized estimates, modification indices more than 20. 20.
Here it will be more than 20. Okay. Then okay.
20.
Okay,
and
sir.
now run. The observed OC is represented as ellipse path in the diagram. See, this is an error. Got it? This is an error which I got. Okay. This is an error. Okay. This is an error. Anybody getting the error else?
Sir, where is the run option?
Here.
Sir, I got the same error.
Sir, I got the same error.
Calculate estimate, not run.
It is saying the observed variable represented by an ellipse in the path diagram, something like this.
Okay, do one thing, write down ORG.
Sure, where?
So you will have
Where,
to
sir?
do it with every latent variable because it's contradicting.
Yeah, you will have to do it with every, because it is contradicting. Nothing, no problem. So make it cow. It is contradicting. Okay, nothing to worry. Job.
Sir, what do we have to do, sir? Please.
See,
Okay,
I'll
okay,
tell
okay.
you what. Wait. Let me explain. Here I am writing OC. It is saying me that OC is already, you have made it as OC is under the name in the statistical, in the data file. OC is there as a measured variable and you have kept it under the oval. That is a wrong thing. It should be there in square. Okay.
So name of constructor and variable are same and something like this.
Yeah, that's
okay,
what.
sir. Okay, boss. Okay.
Now you change it and it will run. So let me see that if it is running. Let me check. Is it running? Where is run? Yeah, run is Nilofar ma'am here. Here, run. And yes, it is asking me that where you want to save this. So I'm saying that please save this run on SEM on my, and it is running. And yes, I am happy now because my file is running. Please check, all of you.
Yes, sir, it's running now.
It is
Very
not
nice.
it is not in my case.
If it is not coming in your case, then please open the data file, which the Amos file, which has been sent to you by me, sir. Okay. So all those who got the successful running, let's try to interpret the data. Okay, let's try to interpret the data. Go here, view text.
View text.
And the output window will be generated.
Can you show it again? Sir, can you show it again? Where it is?
Yeah, here.
Okay, yeah.
The output window will be generated. If you get the message minimum was achieved, it means that the diagram has been the model is running successfully. Got it clear? Got it clear?
From where to see the output?
You go here and click on view text.
Sir, my view text is disabled.
No, it will not be disabled because still you must have not connected the data file with it. Or sorry, you calculate estimates, press this, no?
Yeah,
press
I have
this
pressed.
one.
I have pressed, sir.
What you are getting in this window?
So it is giving
See
minimum
here.
was achieved, writing output.
Then it is not this. Press this, no? Press view text. Okay, now see. First of all, you should see the model fit. Okay, the criteria for accepting the model is this value should be less than 3. As Hitesh sir has already discussed, this value should be less than 3. It means that the model is working. Is it clear? This means that the model is working. Is it clear? Now, all this I is there, no? It is all this I, GFI, AGFI, PGFI, NFI, RFI, IFI, TLI, CFI, they are all comparative
Greater
factor
than
index.
0.9.
It should be greater than or nearer to 0.9. Then your model is a good model. The RMSEA should be less than 0.1. It should be less than 0.1. It means that what it means that 0.057 into 100, 5.7% error is there in the model. So less than 10% error is allowed in the model. So it should be less than 0.1. So this is a basic criteria for accepting the model. I again repeat, this should be less than 3. This all I should be nearer to 0.9 and your RMSEA should be less than 0.1. If this is the case, then now you should go in estimates. And in estimates, as we know that there is a regression interpretation which we have done. So here 3-star means that it is highly significant. 2-star means moderately significant, 1 is significant, and if you get 0.0 C, so it means that organizational commitment does not lead to job satisfaction because its p value is more than 0.05. Co-workers behavior does not lead to job satisfaction because it is more than 0.441. But environmental perception definitely leads to job satisfaction. Okay, job satisfaction definitely leads to the saying intentions. So these two paths are significant. Now if I want to see this path on my diagram, just go in the Amos file and click on the red output and you will be able to see the loadings which are there. Okay, So we make the equation from unstandardized estimates, as we have seen in regression. Okay. And if I want to see the standardized estimates, just click it here and I will get the standardized estimates. So normally I will say unstandardized estimates. So what I mean is that if my job satisfaction increases by 1 unit, my staying intentions will increase by 0.22 unit. Okay. If my job satisfaction increases by 1 unit, my staying intentions will increase by 0.22 unit. Similarly, if environmental perception increases by 1 unit, my job satisfaction will increase by 0.16. Okay, this is 0.173. This is structural equation modeling.
Okay, sir, thank you so much. But the value that I have got is somewhat different than what is available on my screen. So is it okay, sir?
What values you have got?
Sir, everything like job satisfaction to staying like it is 0.22. So in my case, it is 0.19. Like E21 error is 0.24. In my case, it is 0.63. So I have done something error while doing the analysis.
No, there is no error. May I know your good name, sir?
So this is Dilip. So this is my college internet. So it is showing DHRC all the time. Or may
yeah, fine. The reason is that whatever you have indicated by 1, see, this is 1. Can you see this is 1?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect. Sir.
This is 1. This is 1. Now when
Yes,
you
sir.
draw a diagram, SPSS AMOS on its own pick up one as the variable 1. Okay, it will definitely see. I will draw this thing so that you can. It picks up on its own 1 for a particular variable on its own. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See,
okay, sir.
only this one, only one. No figures are there here. All other figures will be calculated depending upon this base. Okay. Now in your case, what has been picked up as 1, I don't know.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But the moral of the story is that your significant value will not change.
So, sir,
okay, sir.
What is the? Can you explain this one, sir, please?
Okay.
This one, sir. What does it indicate?
See, Mohammed, see, here it is 1.
Yes,
it is
sir,
1.227.
Yes, sir.
This is 2.22.
Yes, sir.
And this is 1.16. Be with me.
Yes, sir.
Be with me. Now, suppose if I make this 2.22 as 1, the highest value.
Right, sir.
Then all these values will be lower than this one. So probably this will become 0.88, 0.89, and this will be 0.6. So if I make 2.2 as 1, all this will be less than 1.
Okay, sir.
SPSS on its own is taking the value 1 to solve the equation to have the, as it creates a problem of degree of freedom. It on its own, it takes up the value of one variable. See here, where it is. Organizational has been defined by 4 measured variable: OC1, OC2, OC3, and OC4. On its own, it took up the one of the variable value as 1. Okay. The second, in environmental perception also, EP4 was taken as 1. I have not taken it as 1. On its own, it took it as 1 to solve the equation. All those who are aware about degree of freedom in those who come from science background. AC4 has been taken as 1. JS4 has been taken as 1. Now see, so what I get is a reference that OC2 is more than OC1. Now suppose if I make this as 1, I will get the value of OC1 less. If I make this as 1, for example, then I will get the value of OC1 which is less than OC2. Okay. When ORG goes up by 1, OC2 goes up by 1.274. This is the interpretation. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You
Excuse me.
just click on it and I'll come to you, ma'am. I'll come to you. You just click on it and it will answer. Now see here. I click here and see what it is. When ORG goes up by 1, OC3 goes up by 0.787.
So these are effective loading, sir, right?
These are the effective loadings which are there. Yes, ma'am. Please ask the question.
Excuse me, sir. When I'm generating the MOS output file, here I notice that we go to the model fit, and here the saturated model and the independence model values are being depicted, but my default model values are not there. In model fit, on your screen, I can observe the values for saturated model, independent model, and the default model is also there. But in my case, when I'm generating the output, the default model values are not there, sir.
What is the thing? What is the value which you are here getting, ma'am?
I'm not getting, sir. I'm not getting this entire row. Default model row is not there. Neither, sir. When I'm looking at the diagram, the path which is generated, the error values are also not being depicted.
Okay. May I know your good name?
Sir, my name is Dr. Supriya.
Supriya, ma'am. Just work on our MOS file and see.
I'll just see, sir. Okay. I'll just.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is there any CI is related to confidence interval? It is CI is related to confidence interval. Here it is related to confidence. This is confidence ratio. It's a T. It is just like a T value. T test की जो value है, T table value है, वही है ये. That is the same value which is there. It's a T value, T statistics. Critical ratio. It is critical ratio.
Yes, sir.
Sir, even I have not got that one row zero model.
You work on my data file, you work on my MOS file, nothing has gone wrong. Only the thing is gone is maybe the drawing, maybe you must have drawn something
Sir,
wrong.
the file which you shared was HBAT SEM base. That was the one, sir.
You open that MOS file.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to open, but it says is in wrong format.
Yes, it is not opening.
Sir, it is not opening. Moreover, if it has opened, it is blank.
Yes, sir, that file is not opening. Maybe
That file
it's
is
a higher
blank.
version. Maybe it's been created in the higher version because the AMOS we have is 18.
Yes, sir, probably.
Achha, this has been created in 23. Okay, this has been created in 23. So
that
probably
is the
you may be
problem with the format.
that is a problem. Anyway, when we were working, it was on. Who got the result? Can anybody tell me? Just wait. May I know
Yes,
the किसका नाम था अभी? आप कौन पूछ रहे थे हमें?
Ma'am, Supriya. Sir, Supriya. My name is Supriya.
Supriya. Who got the result? Please, can anybody tell me?
Sir, this is Dilip. I have got also the result.
Yes, sir. This is Mansi. I also got the results.
Okay. Mansi ma'am, do one thing. Share your file to Ravi sir. So, Supriya ma'am, please work on that file. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Okay.
Please, Dilip ji, please send your file to the Ravi sir, and Ravi sir will be sharing with those participants. Because you all are working on 18 and I am working on 23. That's the only problem. Otherwise, I would have also sent it. So, so Mansi ma'am, I am giving you a homework to you, and Dilip sir, I am
Yes,
also
sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So this is the structural equation model. Yeah.
Sir, I am unable to open this MOS output screen.
I'm sending you the file. Mansi ma'am is sending you the file, and Dilip sir is sending you the file as they have got the result.
Sir, my data have run, but this output I can't see.
Just see on this. Just see here. Is it minimized? Just see it. No. Is it minimized? Is it minimized?
Oh, sorry.
Wait a minute. I'm coming. Wait a minute. Okay. Just a minute. I'm coming.
Sir, I've got this number on these arrows above these numbers. I've got it. But this output screen is not coming.
So let's take a break of 1 minute, I believe.
So would you please explain the interpretation part again about the job satisfaction and the relation between other dependent and independent variable? Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, Sarah has taken a break of 1 minute. Please preserve your question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you will get the file which we are working on 18, and you will be able to work on it. Okay. So this is the way a structural equation modeling is created, in which we collect the model and we try to say that is the model working for us or not. And you are all having my mobile
Excuse
number.
me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, would you please explain the interpretation part again regarding job satisfaction and other factors? Sir, you are saying about 0.22. Sir, how would we explain this thing, sir?
See, just go there in the output. No, ma'am. Go in the output. Okay. And if you don't understand anything, just click on it. It is giving you the answer.
Yes.
Is it giving you the answer?
Yes, yes.
Just so that's the interpretation, ma'am. When co-worker goes up by 1 unit, job satisfaction goes down by 0.035.
Wow, perfect.
Okay.
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 Okay, also, we can just see all these things by that one standard table that the sir has given us one day before. We can match it with it to see whether it is fitting or not. No?
Yeah. You can. Hitesh sir has already said. See, we are sharing everything with you. Whatever
Yes, sir.
knowledge
Yes, sir.
which we are having, we have shared everything with you.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
regarding the moderation and mediation, sir has been asking. Who is asking? Now, see, there is something which is a concept of moderation and mediation. Now, mediation means what? That see, this variable is, for example, going direct from X to Y, and another way is this way to this way. So, if I say that, does the presence of organization affect the job satisfaction or not, then I will have to remove this variable, run the regression, check it. So that is known as a mediating effect. The moderating effect is then when I multiply these two variables together, then whatever I get is a moderating. Now let me show you the complexities which are there in the different model. Okay. Somebody had asked me the second order model, that what is a second order model. So this is a second order model. Okay. This is a second order model. This is second order. Okay. Construct to construct, this is a second order. Then let me show you something which is related to the mediating effect. Okay. In mediating, what we are doing in mediating, first I run this model. I run this. Oh, I'll show it from here only. Wait, from the PPT, so that I've already taken the screenshots. So to make you the simple. So for the next thing which comes up is multi-group analysis. Now multi-group analysis means what? That is my model behaving same for male and female, or for the for those who are in management on that way. So I'm creating different models. Okay. So here, from where I can create the multi-group analysis, see here I can create a multi-group analysis. Is the model different for male and female or not? That is first. The second thing which I can do is now, the second thing which I can do now is that I'm creating the moderating effect. Yeah. This is moderating effect. Beginning salary with job time. the file on which we did regression analysis on the first day, okay, which we did on the first way, job time. So here, when I multiply these two variables with the standardized variable and whatever I get, that is a moderating thing. So understanding working on SEM is again a very big thing, because what are the different types of model? The next phase is how to improve the model. Then multi-group analysis, multi-model analysis, mediating effects, moderating effects, common bias, data imputation, multi-group moderation, multi-group mediation, all these are again a very advanced techniques in SEM. What today
Sir,
you learned is, yeah.
so can you please show the model for mediating also, because I'm working on mediation. It will be a great help. How the model looks. Thank you.
See, Mansi ma'am, see, to reach to X to Y, there is a path C and there is another path M. Okay. Now, see, I am showing you something. I always collect something which a very, you can say, these memes are being picked up to make your life simple. This is called direct effect. That doing exercise, I am having a muscle soreness. Okay. Unless you are Mr. or Mrs. Super fit, you will get muscle soreness. Now that represents the total effect from X to Y. Okay, that's a total effect. Now there can be two paths, here to here to here. If you are muscular, or in the sense you are always working, go for workouts, you are not possible to get this thing. But if you are not doing exercise regularly, you are going to get the muscle soreness. So you have to see which effect is there. Okay, so when you do that way, that's known as a mediating effect. Now how will I apply the same concept in my this PPT? Okay, see, this is the thing which I am working. I am assuming that the organizational commitment is a mediating effect. Okay, in my study. So first of all, I will break this. I will break this path, and now I'll be working only. First, I will see the direct effect. Is direct effect working? Okay. If direct effect is working, then I will say I will now be working on only one path. That is this path. I will discontinue this path. So this is first. Then what I'll do, I'll again break this part, and I'll see that how mediating of co-worker is there. So and then I will see the effect, and then combinedly I will say that what is the direct effect with mediator, without mediator, is my conclusions affecting or not. That this is known as mediation. Any other question? Please
Got it.
ask.
Thank you so much, sir. So one more thing, like you were specifying earlier that minimum variable should be 3 and maximum we should go for 7, so that the model is not complicated and looks good. So one of my variables, I am having like 9 statements, and after EFA also it's not reducing. So should I keep 9 variables, or should I go for a second order model and work on a derived construct?
No. Variables will not decide second order. Constructs will decide the second order. Make it very sure. If you are having more variables, it does not say that you go for second order. It will never say that you go for second order. But the constructs to constructs will decide your second order.
No, sir, I can go for a derived construct. Like I am working on consumer engagement. So there are 9 statements, and I will have 9 variables in my model. So should I go for should I make consumer engagement a derived construct and have 2 or 3 latent variables which would lead to consumer engagement, or should I keep 9
Yeah,
variables
yeah.
as it is?
Yeah, you can have it, you can have it. I'll show you, I'll show you the, I'll show you the what is a second order construct. Just a minute. Okay, what is a second order construct? I'll show it to you. Wait a minute, so that it becomes clear to you that what is what we want to explain. Already we are running late. I had been said that you should not go beyond. Is my screen visible? Hello?
No, sir.
Not visible? Wait a minute. Just bear with me, just a minute. I'll share the screen with you so that, yeah, see, this is a model which is technological acceptance model, right? This is second order. BPF, SF, these are all constructs, and they all these constructs combine together and make a one more construct. Okay, all these constructs here, not measured variables are not there, all these constructs combine to make one more construct. That is the second order, right?
So, but
Any other question?
interpretation in mediation won't change. Even I go for second order, the mediation would be with the second order variable only. I will establish mediation with OPC, right?
No, ma'am, mediation is different,
No,
and
sir.
second order is different.
So my question is, like, I have formulated OPC, I have formulated STC from the diagram you are showing. Okay. Now, if I have to establish mediation between that, OPC mediates with STC and ERPE. So that mediation model will be drawn with these three only. I should not include. Right. All right, sir. Got it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, is this sir, is the second order similar to formative construct?
No, this is not formative construct. We here, first of all, in Amos we go for a reflective only. It's not a formative construct. It's not a formative.
Okay.
Sir,
So
if the model doesn't support the theory, then we need to proceed or we need to change the data?
may I know who is this? Mohammed sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's your question, sir?
If the model doesn't support the theory, sir, so we need to change the model or what we are supposed to do further, sir?
Yeah. So now see, there is something which is known as that. I'll give you the example is that there is the data and there is a model. It's something that you go in the market and you purchase a shirt. Okay. And if the shirt does not fit your body, what you do, sir? Mohammed sir, if the shirt does not fit to your body, what you do, sir?
We have to change, sir. We have to modify the data, sir. Manipulate
No,
the data, sir.
you go for the alteration of the shirt, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So there is something which is known as improving the model. The model improvement is there, and therefore there are some ways in which the model can be improved. Okay. Still, you are not able to get the proper result. Then the further dissection is necessary about the statement, how statements are there. So see, everything boils down to that how perfectly the questionnaire was framed initially. If the questionnaire was not framed initially properly, then you can land up in all sorts of problem. Okay, all sorts. So Kavita ma'am, your confirmatory is solved now. I think so, Kavita ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So let's come, all of you be on the screen. I'm sharing with you our mobile numbers, and we are having a session on R, that is data analysis using R. So all those who want to understand R, they can join us probably in January. We will be having that session. I'm sharing my number. You can join on my WhatsApp channel also to get the notifications of all the programs, which upcoming programs, forthcoming attractions of our of our programs. So you can share, you can join me on Twitter. There's a Facebook ID. Hitesh sir is already joined with us. So we will start the valedictory sessions. So all of you, please start your video. Hitesh sir, please start your video. All
Thank you,
of you
sir.
start your video.
Yeah, I
And I'm
request.
always there.
Thank you once again, Dhaval sir. Wonderful session. And please, I request all of you to start the video today, at least at the valedictory session. And I also welcome Professor Anil Mehta sir. Professor Anil Mehta sir is here with us. Dr. Aarti Chopra ma'am, Executive Member of INSPIRA Research Association and Principal Bhavans College. She is also with us. Dr. Hitesh sir is with us. And before I invite Dhaval sir and Anil sir, Aarti ma'am and Hitesh sir, I would like to request the participants, any participants, if they can, they want to comment or they want to give feedback of this workshop, any participant.
Yes,
Please.
sir. This is Dr. Dilip Singh from GHAVAL
Yes,
College,
Dilip.
Nagpur.
Yes. Good evening, Dilip.
This was a very well organized session, perfect timing and everything, like punctuality. All the resource person were on the time.
Thank you.
I have seen participants, we are falling short, but the kind gesture and the way they have shown their patience, and believe me, it was not possible for me to think like online session can be so arranged so ergonomically, and all the doubts were being clear, and the resource person was so knowledgeable. Yet the childish questions were also asked, and there wasn't any irritation, which I feel in my class while taking it, some stupid questions are coming. So this was properly handled, and nothing can be better than this. Thank you so much from the core of my heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dilip. Thank you. Anybody else?
I think it's very informative session. I will just suggest if you have some more session on questionnaire designing, how to design a questionnaire.
Okay, Khan sir, bilkul.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, Paul sir.
Where is Rupam sir?
Yeah, where is Rupam sir? Yeah, Rupam sir.
Rupam sir, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, our first awardee for the conference, paper presenter. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
A very good late evening to all of you, and this is my privilege to offer the vote of thanks in this valedictory session on behalf of all the co-participants. At first, I would like to offer my hearty vote of thanks to the respectable resource person, Dr. Maheta sir and Dr. Parmar sir, for their excellent sessions for the last 7 days on this multivariate data analysis using SPSS. You have tried your best to explain the methods like multiple regression, logistic regression, exploratory and confirmatory factor analysis, cluster analysis, then conjoint analysis, and the structural equation modeling in a very lucid way to us. And this has enhanced and enriched our knowledge base to a great extent. Moreover, the hands-on experience of doing the things has also made the session much more interesting. And I like the most was the part that always you have explained why we are doing it, why this thing should be done. The interpretations part are the most important thing that was very very valuable for us. You have also mentioned some reference books that we should follow during your lecture. That will be very much useful input for us as well. And we are also looking for many such workshops in the future where we can learn many more statistical tools from you for our research. And in this context, I would also like to offer my heartfelt gratitude to INSPIRA Research Association, and particularly Dr. S.S. Modi and Dr. Ravi Modi sir for organizing such an important workshop for us. I have been in touch with the INSPIRA for the last 1 year, and I have participated in many webinars, FDPs, conferences, and all of which have been a grand success. And I believe that INSPIRA Research Association is doing a tremendous job by serving the society in terms of providing the young research scholars like us the platform to learn and share our knowledge. At last, I would like to thank my co-participants for their active participation in this event, in this workshop. Thanks to all of you.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you, Rupam sir.
Yeah, Milind sir, how was your experience? Milind sir.
Sir, it was very wonderful. And one thing I must point it out over here, that the best part of the seminar or this webinar was that at every point of time you were having a lot many amount of patience, right, to solve every single doubt, whether it is a very small doubt or it's a big question that is being raised by any participant. So that was solved, and this is the very important aspect for any kind of a hands-on session. So I like this part very much, and very patiently you have reverted to the query of every budding researchers. So thank you, Dhaval sir and Hitesh sir also for this kind gesture that you have shown to us. Basically, I would consider myself as laggards. On initial basis, I could not attend the basic seminars and on offline mode conducted by Dhaval sir and Hitesh sir. But now the time has permitted because of this online session. So now I'm able to attend these seminars on a very right spirit. Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank you.
Inspira also.
Thank you, Milind. Thank you, Milind. Yes, Mansi ji. Mansi ma'am. You are a regular participant of this workshop.
Yeah, Mansi ma'am is.
Thank you so much, sir, Hitesh sir, and Dhaval sir. The workshop was really very helpful because I'm right now writing my 5th chapter, that is data interpretation. And I think this was, by God's grace, this was the best time to attend this workshop. And sorry for bothering you with so many questions, but I couldn't help myself because you were enthusiastically answering every question. So I had to push myself to get some answers from you, so that that would be helpful in my thesis work. And thank you so much, sir. The workshop was very informative, and hands-on was really good. I mean, both of you took us through the software very nicely. Thank you so much.
Hitesh sir, are you listening? Hitesh sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm listening.
Today I was counting. Today we reached to 120 mark of our workshops. 120 workshops have been converted. So we have crossed 120 mark across the nation today. So that was a thing. Yes, Trupti ma'am.
This ma'am also 848787421 mobile number. She is also a regular. Ma'am, would you like to say something?
Thank you so much, sir. The sessions were really fruitful, and we could. Actually, I could not imagine myself doing these softwares with such ease. Thank you so much, sir. We'll be doing really good publications probably, and all credit goes to you. Thank you so much, sir.
No, thank you. Allah.
And I'm really looking forward to such sessions in future. Please kindly update. We'll be really waiting for this. Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah, Dhara ma'am. Dhara ma'am. No. Daksha ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would really like to, second Dr. Dilip and Dr. Milind on the part of, the point of your patience. Because, the way, the patience you both had in answering such, basic questions which we were asking, if I would have been at your place, I would have shouted, very frankly. But then, this shows your experience, as you're saying, 120 sessions, your patience is showing that, yes. And not only the research part we have learned, I have learned this thing also. I mean, because I am a teacher also, I've really learned this thing that, how to be how to keep that level of patience. So thank you so much for these, both the two kind of teachings you have given us, the technical part as well as the non-technical part of being a good teacher. And I would also like to thank the organizers because I've been attending their previous workshops as well. And I would look forward for more such sessions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes,
Dakshin.
yes, sir. Subha sir. Bhaiya Subha sir.
Sir, thank you for the opportunity, sir. Let me introduce myself, sir. I'm basically from pharmaceutical sciences, and then I did my PhD in 2016. I have completed. After listening to your presentations and all, one lagging behind what I have done during my PhD questionnaire was I did not do this analysis. I have done Cronbach's alpha, and then I have presented my data. So after listening to this, I felt that I would have done this one also.
It is not in your thesis. In my thesis also I had done the same thing.
Okay, sir.
12 years back I had done the same thing.
Okay, sir.
If I see my thesis right now, I feel that what I had done.
Okay.
I myself have not awarded the PhD degree to myself. That was a type of a work which was done.
So thank you very much, sir, for all the fundamentals, and then we got the plan how to do in the future so that we can also do the analysis. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes. Yes, Aarti ma'am. Aarti Chopra.
Sir, Aarti ma'am is not a participant. She has joined for the valedictory.
Sorry. Yes, Anup sir. Anup sir. Anup sir.
Anup sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for the great session. We learned really a wonderful sessions how to handle software analysis. It will be helpful for us to wonderful, good research works and to have publication. Thanks a lot. We are looking forward for further sessions and further workshops in the same manner. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Nilofer ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
कहाँ से है आप निलोफर मैम?
I am from Kerala.
Okay.
And right now I'm doing my PhD, and it is my first year. And I must say that it was a really great session. All 7 days it was very fruitful, and both the resource persons, they have spent enough sufficient time with us. They were really very patient, and I must say definitely it was a very great session. I've learned a lot many things. Thank you, sir, and I'm looking forward for more sessions of this kind.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Nisha ma'am. You are patiently waiting that you will get the turn.
Nisha ma'am, please unmute your mic. Nisha ma'am.
Oh, sorry for that. Good evening, sir. Sir, it was a very fruitful and wonderful session. I missed a little bit in the yesterday's session because of some other difficulties. But lots of learning happened, and thank you so much, sir. Both the resource persons, and thanks a lot for the organizers also. I'm doing my research work, and I think it's going to help me a lot in my work. And I'm also looking forward for so many more sections on structural equation modeling also. Okay. Thank you so much.
So Sondhi sir, you are now fearless Nadia. You have written that you don't have any fear of SPSS. Unmute your mic, Sondhi sir.
And please start the videos, participants. Don't.
I'm unable to speak, but I have written for everything.
Okay, चलो fine. Ujjwal Seth जी, हाँ, कहाँ हैं आप? कहाँ हैं? I want to see you.
उज्ज्वल जी कहाँ पर है?
उज्जवल Seth नहीं है. Ankit sir.
Very good evening to all. Thanks a lot to Dr. Dhaval and Dr. Hitesh sir and the organizers for organizing such a wonderful session. It was really a pleasure for me to hear from you both such great insights on how to go about to analyze the data on SPSS. Also, I believe I'm the youngest member on this platform since I'm a student and rest all are PhDs and doctors, qualified people. So I believe I'm the youngest person.
What is your age?
I'm 27.
How much?
27.
I'm 25.
Oh. Okay, let us not go in terms of age. Let us talk about in terms of experience. So yeah, I'm a student. I'm an MBA student. So rest, I believe, are at a very higher level from where I am right now. So it was actually a lot to take for me, but I didn't give up and I came till the last bit and I took notes as much as I could. But yes, I had limitations. But yeah, it was really a great learning curve for me actually. Thanks a lot again to everyone.
Thank you.
So we have
So
Sunita ma'am.
yeah,
Sunita ma'am is no.
Sunita,
Sunita is
yeah, Sunita ma'am, you like to say something? Sunita ma'am just joined, I think.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Yes, actually, it was a very nice session as a whole. And I really always, Inspira has always been very much like, inspiring and motivating and inspirational in conducting FDPs, MDPs, and SPSs. So I literally thank the organizers, Dr. Ravi, and all the resource persons. Anil Mehta sir, he is really a person I always admire. So it is really a wonderful, it's really good and like inspiring to be a part of this session. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunita.
You are working with which university, ma'am?
I'm working in Guwahati University.
Guwahati University.
Yeah.
Yes, Sanjay sir. Okay, thank you. Sanjay sir. Sanjay Kumar. Dr. Sanjay Kumar.
Good evening, sir. Sir, thank you, sir, for both the resource person and especially thank to Ravi, sir, who are organizing these types of workshop. And we are looking for this type of workshop next time also. Sir, please inform
Yes, sir,
whatever
sure.
the latest.
We are organizing in the month of January. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Hitesh, sir. Hitesh Parmar, sir. Few words.
Thank you very much. We also enjoyed these sessions. You people were asking so many questions, so that is also a learning for us. And best wishes for learning. We are also learning, and you are also learning, right? So learning will continue definitely. And all the best for for all your future research. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Mohammed sir wants to ask
Thank
some
you, sir.
question. Yes, sir. Mohammed sir, please ask
Sorry,
it.
sir. There's one last question. Is when you run the CFA and structured equation model, do we need to put the diagram in the research paper, or we don't need?
You need to put the diagram because you must be following some theoretical model, and how you have conceived the model, you have to put that diagram.
So both, right? CFA and same, right? Both model, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ravi sir, you have left me. You have not. Have not
Sir,
shared my views.
Sir, actually, your video. That's why I'm saying the video. Please keep your video on, sir.
Please keep
No
your
problem,
video
sir.
on.
There was some problem with my
No
video, so
problem,
that's
sir.
why.
No problem. Please, sir.
It's fine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please tell.
Sir, enjoying in morning FDP on IoT and machine learning, and in the evening and learning on SPSS. So it is like this. So enjoying a lot.
In the morning you're going for machine learning, and today SPSS.
Yes.
So see my schedule. Today I'm talking about SPSS. Tomorrow my session is on machine learning, then R, then Stata.
Okay. Then. Actually, it is a 6 days FDP. So it is up to 29th.
Where?
It is, sir, from somewhere from south.
Somewhere from south.
It is Sona College of Technology, and today's session was.
Which one? So Sona, it is in Sangam.
Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and in fact, on just one more topic was there. creating an IoT solutions.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
okay. Thank you, Atul sir. So, sir, now I invite.
Yeah. Somebody wants to speak. Yeah.
Sir, kindly share the file which you have made for EMOS, because when I prepared that path, the errors were not displayed. So probably there was some problem with the EMOS path which we generated.
No,
So
where is Dilip? Where is Dilip sir? Where is Dilip sir? Dilip sir.
Sir, I am
I've
still in
already
college,
mailed it to
and
Ravi
I
sir.
will not go home till I am sharing it.
Yeah, fine. And Mansi ma'am,
Sir, I've already mailed it to Ravi sir.
Yeah, I will send to
you
all.
will get it.
Okay, great.
No problem.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, all the participants. Now I invite Dr. Aarti ma'am to please speak few words. Aarti ma'am is principal at Bhavan's College of Communication and Management here in Jaipur, and she is also an executive member of Inspira Research Association. Yes, Dr. Aarti ma'am, please.
Namaskar. A very good evening to all of you. I hope I'm audible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're audible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. A very good evening to Professor Anil Mehta, sir. He is my teacher, so I would always prefer to take his name first. And both are resourceful resource persons, Dr. Hitesh and Dr. Dhaval, and all the participants present here from all over the nation, I must say. I, Dr. Aarti Chopra, would like to extend my profound gratitude to Dr. Dhaval and Dr. Hitesh for your presence and very informative and interesting session on the topic which is greatly needed by the researchers. And if we talk about Inspira is one of its own kind of educational and research oriented association we have in Jaipur. We are so proud that this kind of education and research oriented association is there in Jaipur with us. It has actually proved to be a milestone in the life of thousands of researchers, academicians, and students. See, there is always a huge need of a platform where researchers can put their ideas, they can exchange their ideas, they can learn new research avenues, and they can present their researches. And not only this, but they can get their work published also. So I think Inspira Research Association is one such platform. I feel so proud and honored to tell that this platform is Inspira Research Association. Your journals are peer reviewed and they are renowned, and they give a platform to the researchers to get their work published in such renowned journals, and not only publish but they give a lot of support to the researchers. Lot of FDPs and MDPs are being organized by Inspira, and I have been very fortunate personally to attend many of these FDPs and MDPs, and I have learned lot of new avenues which come up through these faculty development programs. And at the same time, Inspira Research Association keeps organizing various national and international conferences on varied topics like commerce, management, education, IT, and research methodology. So there are very other areas of social sciences which actually make us aware of new avenues in these areas. So it is like when there is this conference of Inspira, we call it Mela of Academicians. It is a kind of fair of academicians and researchers. So we actually look up to these conferences organized by Inspira, and the sessions like this session on SPSS. Then, as you are saying that we are going to conduct a session on R. Sir, I would really like to attend that. Dhaval sir, I wish to ask you that is it necessary if few of my students of master's level, they wish to go for this R, which you are planning to conduct in the near future. is it necessary that a person should have a hands-on experience on SPSS, then only he'll be able to do R, or a layman, a student of PG level can also go for this R? Please do guide me on this.
A student of PG level can also directly go on R. Directly, they
Okay.
can go on R. Directly.
Okay, that's really wonderful, because these students, they keep on asking us that how they can move in the area of research. So SPSS is okay, SPSS is common now, so they have been learning SPSS in their college also, not completely, if not hands-on experience, at least they know the theory, at least they know the concept of SPSS. But if they wish to go for R, that is really wonderful. And I would also wish that I take out time, because I am very keen to learn R this time. And then Inspira conducts sessions on research related topics, as this was one of them, 7 days fruitful sessions on SPSS. Inspira keeps organizing sessions on the life skills like stress management, time management, mind management, which are really very important these days. See, we have a lot of stress these days. Stress has become such a common factor in today's life. So Inspira keeps this thing also in mind, that not only research oriented and subject oriented topics we have to take, but we have to take life oriented topics also. So in all, I can say that Inspira is working actually like a milestone, and it is working so wonderfully in the field of education, research, and life. I thank you so on behalf of all the participants, on behalf of the being a member of Inspira Association. I'm so happy and I'm so glad. I would like to thank Professor S.S. Modi sir, Dr. Ravi Modi sir, who are doing really great job. Thank you so much, and keep organizing such conferences in future, such programs in future. We really look upon up to it. Thank you so much to all of you present here today.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Archana.
yeah, Anil sir.
Thank you so much for your wonderful words. Now, I request our mentor, our teacher, great academician, our editorial board member, Professor Anil Mehta sir, to give thanks on behalf of Inspira Research Association. Professor Mehta sir, please.
So I'm the last person to speak, and I request everyone to just put your video on mute. Dr. Dhaval, Dr. Hitesh, Dr. Aarti, Dr. Ravi Modi, and learned participants representing almost all the states of the country, as well as I've been told that there are few participants from abroad also, including from Saudi Arabia and Malaysia. In fact, when this pandemic, COVID-19 occurred in March, I had my own reservations regarding online education, and particularly online workshops and conferences. But today, I can very confidently make a statement that online conferences and workshops are equally effective as the programs being conducted offline. And our learned faculties for this particular workshop have proved it. The way they conducted this workshop, it was really amazing. And the kind of experiences that these learned faculty members are having, more than 120 workshops, that is really amazing and remarkable achievement. The quality of slides that you presented, the way you deliberated this difficult topic in a very lucid and simple way, the way you involved all the participants is really remarkable. I'm quite sure that all the participants of this workshop have immensely benefited by your scholarship and your vast training experience. Learning never ends. Yes, this workshop is just a beginning, and now our expectations from the participant is that they should start their learning into action also by using whatever they have learned through this workshop in the form of improving the quality of their research if they are pursuing their PhD, or applying all these concepts in writing their research papers also. I'm quite sure that this workshop is just a beginning. I've been told by Dr. Ravi that all the deliberations will be streamed with the YouTube also. So do keep repeating or rehearsing or remembering or reinforcing what you have learned during these 7 days. Dr. Aarti was mentioning about R. I'm really happy that INSPIRA'S Association is organizing similar kind of workshop on R also in the month of January. So participants can attend that workshop also. And as their contact numbers have been shared by the learned faculty of this workshop, participants can have a constant touch with these learned faculties and take the maximum benefit of their expertise. So this workshop is very, very successful in all respect, I'm quite sure. And whatever the objective of this workshop was in the beginning, I was just listening the feedback of all the participants, and that was really excellent. Certainly, it's a grand success of both faculty members as well as for Inspira Research Association also. I'm very happy to announce that Inspira Research Association will be organizing few programs in the month of December also. 2 days webinar is just in pipeline, and few lectures, and all the participants will be informed about the December programs also. And I expect that all the participants will attend these workshops and programs, and particularly the workshop on R in the month of January. I'm really thankful to both the learned faculty members, Dr. Dhaval and Dr. Hitesh, for organizing this workshop in a marvelous way. And certainly all the participants are immensely benefited by your scholarship. On behalf of INSPIRA'S Association, on my personal behalf, on behalf of all the participants, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to both the learned faculty members of this workshop, and with the expectations that in future also, you will be conducting many workshops on the forum of Inspira Research Association. I am grateful to all the participants of this workshop for their active participation. In fact, this workshop wouldn't have been so successful if you wouldn't have participated and posed so many questions to the learned faculty members. So very, very special thanks to all the participants. Of course, one thing which I am missing is Professor Spss Modi, who is the founder of this INSPIRA'S Association. Because of some unforeseen circumstances, he is not with us today, but we are really missing him. But I'm quite sure that in the next workshop and program, he will be with us. Thank you, Dr. Aarti, for your motivational words to all the participants. Dr. Aarti is a very, very vibrant executive member of INSPIRA'S Association. She is an excellent young trainer and conducting so many programs on soft skills and especially on corporate social responsibilities. So in future, we'll be listening Dr. Aarti also. And once again, thank you, Dr. Ravi Modi, for shouldering the entire burden of organizing such wonderful programs. In fact, Dr. Ravi Modi is one who has really translated this crisis into opportunity and organized so many workshops and programs. And every program, in fact, in itself is a benchmark in the respective field. So keep on doing such work, Dr. Ravi, and we are always with you for such academic ventures. So once again, thank you, thank you, thank you very much, Dr. Ravi, our learned faculty members, Dr. Aarti, and all the participants of this program. Over to Dr. Ravi Modi.
Thank you so much, Anil sir. Thank you so much, Mehta sir. I cannot, even we cannot do anything without without the support of you all. And I am thankful to all the participants. I am thankful to Dr. Aarti ma'am once again, all the participants, Rupam sir, everybody, and especially Dr. Dhaval Maheta sir and Dr. Hitesh Parmar sir for the wonderful sessions. And I will share all the slides, all the things, all the files with you all, which the Hitesh sir and Dhaval sir has shared with me. And I will share the certificate of this workshop within a week also on your mail IDs. And I am also sharing the yesterday's video. Every participant is asking what about the yesterday video, and it is okay. And I'm sending you just within half an hour yesterday video. And thank you so much once again.
Ravi sir.
Yes sir.
Ravi sir.
जी सोनी जी बताइए.
This is for organization, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I am sending a set of 6 books, spiritual books, to organizers and our resource person, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Please give me your address.
Thank you.
I will send that to group lecturer.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And we are conducting an international online
Sir, you need to unmute yourself.
Ravi Modi sir, अपना mic on कीजिए.
Yeah. We are going to organize the international conference, 2 days international conference in the month of December, and you can present your papers in that conference also, and we will publish these papers in one of our edited book, which we will tell you near future. And we will also share with you the brochure of the conference and the brochure of the workshop on R, which we will be organizing in the first week of January, I think. And thank you so much. Yes, Dhaval sir, last few words from you.
Thank you to all of you, and it was really good to get a good participant these days. Also a very big task, because there are you can say the hidden faces which are always there. That there are, I have seen that some participants are having a capacity that they are able to attend 4 and 5 workshops together. I don't know how they are attending, but there were all serious participants here. And the hunting of our 2 resource person has been done by Ravi sir. So you can blame Ravi sir for your condition right now. So the torturing which was being done by us, so Ravi sir has hunted me. He found out. He found us.
We are lucky to wanted you.
So thank you all of you. I hope you will practice this, and you will, if you are able to publish, the success of this workshop is that even if you publish one research paper, and just message me, sir, that I will that we were able to publish one research paper, that's a success. Okay, otherwise you go on attending the workshops but if you don't publish anything, it's not a fruitful. Take one technique, publish it, and it will be a fruitful thing. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Anil sir, Mehta sir, once again. Thank you, Aarti ma'am. Thank you, all of you, once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you all.
Sir,
Thank you.
thanks.